Hey guys, Joe for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Air Jordan 7. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at, in my opinion, well, it's personally my favorite silhouette of the Air Jordan. It's the Air Jordan 7, and we got this in the Vegeta Tan Black Taxi colorway, or this has been dubbed the AFROBEATS. And we got this in the UK size 7.5, European 42, it's a US men's 8.5. And here we go, it's got the retro box with the lids, same one that came with the Concords. A lot of the retro Jordans past, I would say 10, they come in this, which is weird because the 7s, this is the 7s. Well, anyways, removable lid, and here it is, right there. So guys, if you don't know me on a personal level, the Air Jordan 7 is one of my favorite sneakers of all time, or silhouettes. That's because it's the very first Jordan silhouette I've ever bought. Before I knew anything about sneakers, again, I was like 18, went into the Nike store and they had a pair of Jordans. They had the Ryan Blues, and I purchased that because they were just sitting on the shelf. So I thought, yeah, I've never owned a pair of Jordans. Let me get those, because you know I was unaware of all the people hoarding their trainers, their sneakers, you know, all the hype stuff, and all the hype stuff, you know, selling out on the day that it got released. So this is young, naive me who saw a colorway of Jordan and thought, you know, it's got the retro, so I thought I'd buy it. And ever since then, I've had an infatuation with Air Jordan 7s. No different to this. This is a really dope sneaker. It's got great materials, and we're going to get into all that detailing right now for you. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. Tinker Hatfield, who designs this sneaker, was very inspired by, you know, African patternings. So it's the colors as well. So it's just, you can see it expressed here on the outsole. Jumpman logo on the heel. The midsole. So the midsole obviously has an air unit at the heel, and you've got the iconic. So what's so dope about the Air Jordan 7 is like the peaks here, right there. The upper is with this Vegeta Tan leather. It's very, very beautifully sculpted, as it should. I mean, these sneakers cost £200+, so you're getting, you know, that quality leather, and you could, the way it feels as well, it's beautifully crafted. You've got loads of paneling here. You got extra amounts of like embossed leather. You don't really see this in the typical Air Jordan 7 releases. All there for you. Looking at the tongue, so this uses Huarache technology. So essentially it's a sock liner in this neoprene here. Flat laces, great design. Like the Air Jordan 7 has the best design on the tongue. Right there, you got the Air Jordan logo, and you got this pretty funky black and white patterning there with hits of yellow and purple. Again, looking at the ankle support, Jumpman logo there, very nicely padded. Again, with it being a Huarache, it's just essentially a sock liner there, so it should be great fitting for your feet. And at the heel, you got the Nike Air logo there. So usually on an Air Jordan 7, you have a triangle with the 23, or the Olympic had this 9. So this is very different. It's very reminiscent of an Air Jordan 6. The heel, you won't really find this on an Air Jordan 7 because, like I said, you will find the number 23 on it. Pull tabs, insole, very nicely foamed, there with the Jumpman logo. And that rounds off my review. So with 2022 being the 30th anniversary of the Air Jordan 7, unfortunately we weren't able to get a pair of the retros, so the Cardinal 7s came out. There's a Bordeaux coming out, I believe. So the time of this recording, we've recorded this in November. I believe there is a Bordeaux looking sneaker that's coming out for the holiday season. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the Cardinals. So if I had the Cardinals, I would say I'd finished my collection for Air Jordan 7s. So you'd have to look back. We have done some reviews. It was Chris, actually. So back before I started hosting Oneupreviewz, co-founder Chris, you can see his review of the Air Jordan 7 Raptor 7 2012 edition, so check that video out if you get this chance. Off the top of my head, I can't really remember if I've done one for the channel. There might be a Bordeaux. It's been so long, guys. We've done tons of videos here, and we'll continue to do that for you guys. That rounds off my review. Dope sneaker. We love this, and you're gonna see me try these on. So roll that footage of me trying these Vegeta Tan bad boys on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. This feels a bit tight because of the Huarache sock liner. My toes there is a little gap, but I feel like if I was to get a half size down, it would be a bit too snug for me. So I think this is just the right size. They look really dope on, really clean colorway. Obviously, I wish I got the Cardinals, but this is just as good, and they look really dope as well. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.